welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be starting a new series here that will be dedicated to helping you achieve just a little more organization this holiday season. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna upload a new holiday organizing tip every single day from now until December 31st. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you will know every time I upload a new organizing tip for the holidays. Okay, so let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about 2 ways you can create more joy and reduce your stress over the holiday season. Number 1 is to simplify your focus. Now, much of the stress and disorganization we experience during the holidays comes from trying to accomplish too many things. Then, when we don't achieve all of those things, we feel a sense of failure. So, how do you simplify your focus? Try doing a one-word challenge. That's where you pick one word and only one word that would describe the perfect holiday season for you. Then make a list of tasks and activities that can make it happen. For example, my one word was happiness. Underneath that word, I listed about 5 things that would make that one word happen. Those 5 things will be my highest priority during the holiday season. Okay, the second way you can create more joy and reduce your stress during the holiday season is to focus on activities and traditions you love, and don't be afraid to drop those traditions and activities that stress you out or even create frustration for you. So just because an activity or tradition that was created in the past worked well back then doesn't mean it'll work well for you now in the present. Honor who you are now and put your energy into activities that work well for you now. Okay, I hope you found these tips helpful. If you'd like more holiday tips like this, be sure to get my downloadable PDF that's filled with more organizing tips and 55 pages of organizing to-do lists to help you keep track of everything during the holiday season. The link to that PDF is in the description box below. Be sure to check back tomorrow for more holiday organizing tips. Bye!